Hello friends, today I am going to make a new video on a new question. Why tractor exhaust pipe is kept vertical and not horizontal like that in car or a truck? You might have seen a car or a truck where exhaust pipe is kept in horizontal position near to the very near to the ground. But in case of a tractor, this exhaust pipe or what we call muffler is always kept vertical in the front near to just ahead of the driver's seat. In very few cases it is kept horizontal also because of some other reasons, but in majority of the cases it is always kept vertical. So we are going to discuss why. Okay, so moving ahead, this is about me, and now coming to the answer of this question. The reason of keeping this vertical is mainly functional, and the reason is to avoid the damage of crop as well as to the soil. Because friends, as we know, engine exhaust gas are a mixture of harmful gases like carbon dioxide CO2, carbon monoxide CO, nitrogen dioxide NOx or sulfur dioxide SOx, and several other harmful gases and poisonous gases. And when if we keep it horizontal like car or that in truck very near to the ground, it will directly come in the contact with crop as well as soil, so it will affect the health of both crop as well as soil. So that is the reason why it is kept vertical, not horizontal. Apart from that, exhaust gas, as you all know, that engine exhaust gas is the temperature is around 500-600 degrees C, and you might imagine this figure where a tractor during harvest is operating in the field with standing crops. So during these times, these crops will be in very dry condition with very less moisture content, and that much high temperature of exhaust gas which will come in the contact of these standing crops might cause fire. Okay, and might damage the complete harvest. Okay, so these are the reasons why it is kept always vertical, not horizontal. Okay, there might be some other reasons also, like you can imagine a tractor working in this condition during doing puddling operation either with a rotavator or with a half case wheels like this, half dipped in mud and water. So keeping this at lower position and in horizontal position might allow the entry of water and mud inside this pipe. But anyway, that can be avoided by a better design. So that even that is also a reason, but that is not the solid reason. The actual reason is these two, that health of crop as well as soil. A lot of people are answering this question like because of assembly constraint and because of some other problems, this is we are keeping it in vertical. A lot of people have answered me also in interview that we are keeping it vertical because of some assembly constraint issue, but that is not the actual reason. This is the reason. Okay, now as we always do little in-depth explanation. So in this case, this is, as you can see, this is the tractor exhaust pipe or what we call muffler. So here we will see what can be the best position to keep exhaust pipe. We will see all the alternative position where it can be it can be kept, and then we will analyze what are the disadvantages of keeping it in those positions, and then we will see what is the best position. Okay, so the first position can be, we can keep this in horizontal direction and in the front of a tractor. Okay, so that is possible, but the problem of that is if you keep in the front, the smoke will directly come on the driver's face if it is in horizontal and in the downward position. And not only on driver's face, it will also come in contact with crop as well as soil. And again, the problem of water and mud entry will be there, which I have already explained in my previous slide. Okay, so that is why this position is problematic. Now going to the second position, we can keep it in horizontal direction and in the back of a tractor. Now again, if you keep it in back, then drivers might not come in contact with the smoke, but again crop as well as this water and mud entry problem will still persist. So again, keeping it horizontal either in front and back is not really a good option. Okay, now going to third alternative option, we can keep it vertical in the back direction. That is completely possible and feasible also, but only problem is it will be a little costly, because as you already know that engine of a tractor is kept in the front. Okay, now if you keep this muffler or what we call exhaust gas in the back, then that much length of pipe you have to add. So adding more pipe will be more costly. Okay, so the best position is basically where it is currently situated. Okay, and it is currently situated in vertical position in the front of a tractor, just ahead of the driver's seat. Okay, so this is the best position as we have now seen. So this is the answer of this question and analysis of this question. So thank you very much for watching.